Welcome to the module on Shipment Packaging and Labeling Guideline. Let us understand why shipment packaging and labeling is necessary. Improper shipment packaging and labeling may lead to delay in fulfilling customers' orders within the promised delivery time, cancellation of orders, increase in customers' return rate due to in-transit damages, packages getting lost in network because of improper labeling. These issues ultimately lead to bad shopping experience for customers and may lead to negative rating for sellers. To ensure that your customers get the item in the perfect condition, select the right kind of packaging material for shipment. Let's understand the type of packaging materials typically used in shipment of FBA orders. NP, it's a simple poly bag followed by number, for example NP6. NM, it's a poly jiffy layered with bubble wrap at inner surface for better protection. Paper mailer. It has a similar shape and design as poly bag made up of kraft paper which is 100% recyclable. T folder. Corrugate sheet which is cut into the shape of a T. NC and NV. These are the standard corrugate boxes. And the bob tape. Let's see how to use these packaging material. Poly bag. These are poly bags once sealed. They are difficult to be tampered with. They may be able to also protect items from moisture. After removing the tape seal and sealing the poly bag, the product should be ready to be labeled. Corrugated boxes. These boxes are usually used to protect items from minor shock or in-transit damage. These boxes usually are available in flattened form. You can open them, tape them on the flaps on the base side, place the product inside, place the product invoice inside the box, add sufficient dunnage, and close the box after closing. Apply the tape on the flaps. And the corrugated box should be ready to be labeled. These are paper mailer bags. Follow these steps to pack your products in one of the ways. These are book folders with variable depth. The recommended form is using paper of minimum 180 GSM on top and 150 GSM on bottom, and the liner for both book folders and corrugated boxes. You can choose the book folder of appropriate size, place the product inside, and start folding the book folder like this. Once done, apply tape on it and your product should be ready to be labeled. Custom packaging. While packaging odd-shaped objects, it is recommended to make sure that you cover the object completely from all sides and no portion of the product is left exposed. To pack fragile objects, use of corrugated boxes is recommended. It is always better to first wrap the fragile product with bubble wrap or paper dunnage. It is recommended for the bubble wrap to be of more than 50 microns. Alternatively, you can choose to use the hive wrap at the end if you want to make sure to use sufficient dunnage. It is recommended to have a dedicated barcode printer to print shipping labels. It is recommended to peel off the sticky shipping label and paste it on the larger side of the corrugated box. In case of poly bags, you can choose to paste it as demonstrated. For easy ship orders, using sticky labels is compulsory as per the labeling guidelines for easy ship orders. The following don'ts are recommended. Do not paste the shipping labels on the smaller sides of the package. Do not paste the labels on the edges or over the tape. Do not paste the label on original manufacturer packaging. Do not use tapes as they are likely to peel off quickly. Do not use any other material as dunnage. It is always better to crumple the paper dunnage before placing in the box. Amazon is always committed to eliminate single-use plastic. You should ensure that you always use approved and compliant poly bags as per government regulations. Some of the ways to identify such compliant poly bags are given below. Disclaimer: whilst Amazon Seller Services Private Limited has used reasonable endeavors in compiling the information provided here, there is no assurance as to its accuracy, completeness, or usefulness, or that such information is error-free. Amazon hereby disclaims any and all liability and assumes no responsibility whatsoever for consequences resulting from use of such information. Information provided may be changed or updated by Amazon at any time without prior notice and at Amazon's sole discretion. Please contact your consultant or service provider to understand your full obligations for shipment-related compliances under the applicable laws. While procuring shipment package, ensure below details are printed on the poly bags. Manufacturer name, manufacturer's complete address, pollution control board certificate, type of plastic, thickness and recyclable content, buyback price. You can choose to use Amazon branded packaging to pack your shipment. Further, if you choose to purchase Amazon branded package from approved distributors, you can see their details as given below. Go to your Seller Flex or Vendor Central account. Click on the Help page to get the updated aggregator details available in your regions. We have come to the end of this module. Thank you and happy selling.